Welcome to Infusil India Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of fused quartz and Silicaware. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, incepted in 1992, at Bengaluru, we have spread our wings to Australia, Indian subcontinent, and other countries. Cutting-edge technology, industry-leading prices, and flexible payment modes are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a huge gamut of water treatment plants, tubes for sulfur estimation and crucible for A.S.T.M with deep covers. Fused Silicaware, Quartzware and water treatment plants offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. Our laboratory glassware, equipment, and plasticware are in huge demand across the global markets. We also provide distillation equipment, machinery, and tools that are well known for their durability. Tubes for sulfur estimation and crucible for A.S.T.M with deep covers are a class apart. Our tubes for sulfur estimation and crucible for A.S.T.M with deep covers are setting a benchmark in the market. To get more details, please visit our website www.indiamart.com/InfusilIndiaPVT.